Tom, the meeting already started. Is your father coming soon?
He promised me this morning. He never forgets important. Dad? Dad, are you here? Tom, why are you alone? The meeting already started. My dad forgot my school. Maybe traffic is bad. Maybe his phone battery died. No, he always remembers dates. Something. Look! Your dad's parking spot is empty. This morning he looked stressed. He kept checking papers on the kitchen table. This is really his wallet. Why would he drop this here? Even his ID card is...
Tom, your mother called the school earlier. She sounded worried too.
Mom called?
Something is definitely...
Mom, is Dad at the school? No, Mom. We found his wallet outside. What? Stay inside the school. Maybe your dad went to buy something first. He would never miss my meeting for shopping. That looks like Dad! Wait for me! That's not him. We almost got hit by that. Pick up cake before 4 p.m. Cake? Today isn't anyone's birthday. Dad planned a surprise after. Why is the car door open? Dad isn't.
Stay close together.
This feels scary. I thought it was a monster! It's only a cat. This came from Dad's green polo shirt. Did somebody chase him? Dad? Maybe the cake is inside.
Why are school papers here? It says congratulations.
Is Daddy hurt?
The nurse said he helped someone after a bicycle accident.
So that's why he... Tom, we were so scared.
A cyclist fell near the bakery. I took him here quickly. Then my phone
I
died.
found your wallet in the rain.
I dropped.
At least somebody found snacks today. This has been the longest afternoon. Tom worked very hard all year. I'm proud of you, son.
I'm proud of you too, Dad. Today felt scary, but now I understand.
Sometimes helping people changes every